Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma mentah sngi leit ban plie ki tylli ki jaka kynshew bat pynïaid yo Shynrai Lakadong ni ki collective marketing centers hapoh ka Laskeiñ Block lyngba ka Mission Lakadong hapoh ka jingpeit jong tnad Director of Horticulture jong ka Sorkar Jylla. Myntri Rangbah plie ru ya ka prime hub ka balongkum ka jaka ai jinghikai halor kumno ban kham bniah shaphang ka rukom rep ya uni umar kata naduh ka rukom lumyu ka rukom sait ka rukom shet ka rukom ot bat ka rukom song ya Shynrai Lakadong. Hakani ka sngi la sampi saru syaki kenhun tremon sobha naduh ki self help group bat ki society jong katay kathain Laskeiñ ki baladon haduk khat san tylli ki kenhun tremon ngobha na kabenta ban yo athiet ikitiar ki badon kam ki collective marketing centers jong ki. Nalor Myntri Rangbah ka Sorkar Jylla Conrad K Sangma layadon lang ru umanu jor ki sungo chairman ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission KN Kumar Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills ba Garat LSN Dykes Superintendent of Police Bikram di Marak ki Officer Sorkar ki Nongrep Nalor ki Weide ki bele poi syakatay ka Tamasa. Lapan sngaw di ki Nongkren shaphang uni umar ubalong uway na ki mar ki babhatam bat ubalaya yo bha mentah ka leng ka perthai bat lyngba ka jingdon ka jong ka Lakadong mission kandang yarap shu ki Nongrep ban rep khambha yo Myntri Rangbah Jylla laai ka jingero iki long kami ka te kathain ki beladoni ka mensim ka jingtre shitom ka kam harangkat ka jingitre lang bat ka Sorkar. Hadien ka ni Myntri Rangbah ot ru ya ukek jong kani ka Tamasa jong Shynrai Lakadong.
1, 2, 3.
Happy ba?
Processing based economy. Now when we are saying processing based economy, today we are stopping where? We are drying and slicing, drying and marketing, getting 175 rupees a kilo. And some of us, more entrepreneurial farmers among us, they are also making powder out of it and then they are selling powder at 400 rupees a kilo, which is good. But
yo yang lang upigi perlok nong jong chnong iwan gi kha gopel but kamjo le ni por pandap inga di sa komen agau yo yang lang yung Chief Minister Murom yungi
for distributing checks to all these 15 CMCs which have set up stalls here. So at that time, Honorable Chief Minister gave us this idea, why don't we do a big festival in Laskeiñ itself as a Lakadong festival to celebrate the product and to celebrate the people. All of you, all the women farmers who are working so hard and who are producing this beautiful product. So why don't we celebrate this by doing a big festival? So the purpose of this festival is to celebrate, is to give so that the whole world sees. Already today we all know, I think now in every meeting we say that we have the highest curcumin in the world, which is a fact. Today we have tested in the machine also, we have tested one sample. Only one sample we tested, we got 9.6. So very high curcumin we have, but we need the world to know. Everywhere this product has to be marketed, everybody should know. So that is the reason why we are doing, we have a Lakadong mission, but we thought we should do a Lakadong festival and we'll do it every year so that they know. In fact, today is another very interesting thing happened. National Geographic, they put out a post saying the most beautiful places in the world. They put only 4 photos and one of the photos is the living root bridges of Meghalaya. So like how we have the root bridges in tourism, in agriculture, in horticulture, we have Lakadong turmeric. So that is why we need a festival, we need so many events to promote this product so that the whole world knows. Already we have started exporting our turmeric, but then we need to export much more of it. We need to send it to far off places. We need to have this turmeric, being sold in not just in retail and all, but also in cafes. So for example, if you go to the Western countries in England and all, people drink turmeric latte as a substitute for coffee.
I am a farmer and entrepreneur. I hail from Myntri village under Laskeiñ Block of West Jinghikai Hills district of Meghalaya. Today I would like to share with you my experiences as a farmer and entrepreneur during the course of my short journey in the area of cultivation, processing, packaging and marketing of Lakadong turmeric. I would like to start with my village Mupliang. Well before 2019, farmer of Mupliang village, we do not cultivate Lakadong turmeric for commercial purpose. Northeast Food Show 2029. Actually, it was during that time I got the opportunity to meet and interact with officers from horticulture and learn about the flagship program of government Meghalaya, the Lakadong Mission. Toward realizing this objective, I felt obliged to do something in my individual capacity as a farmer and entrepreneurs to promote the cultivation of Lakadong turmeric, starting with my village. With the right approach and with the help of the officer from horticulture department, especially Mr. Dimanson Lingdo, we were able to convince the farmers of my village to cultivate Lakadong turmeric on the large scale. With a short interval, we were able to form progressive farmer self-help groups, SSGs, consisting mostly women willing to cultivate Lakadong turmeric for commercial purpose. Key highlights of our achievement under Lakadong Mission worth mentioning are: to start with, as on 2020, for the first time, 3,500 kg of rhizome was distributed among the farmers and SSGs of Mupliang village from Lakadong Mission, and 5,000 kgs as on 2021. Till date, around 13,000 kgs of rhizome have been distributed under Lakadong Mission to the farmers of Mupliang village. As on 2022, Mupliang village is able to produce their own Lakadong rhizome. We were able to distribute the same to our farmers through the Lakadong Mission. From the production of 0 kgs, as on today, our total production of Lakadong turmeric from Mupliang village alone is more than 30
Laskeiñ Spice Producers Industrial Cooperative Society, Mule. Laskeiñ Spice Producers Industrial Cooperative Society. Farmers Union Shaphang Pochnong. Farmers Union Shaphang Pochnong. Kinhun Manbay Village Organization. Kinhun Manbay Village.
Ban nga dong hangni. I think that's all I can make it for today. But I am really happy and delighted to be here today. This is a journey which started 4 years back for us. And I remember when Mr. K. Kumar and the then agriculture team who was there and our Honorable Governor at that point in time had expressed the concerns being faced by the farmers growing Lakadong turmeric. And it was then that we decided that we must go in a mission mode in order to push the production as well as value addition of Lakadong turmeric. In the last 4 years, there's one thing that I have realized. That departments work in silos. That departments sometimes don't coordinate between each other. And officers and departments work on a scheme-based process. And that is why we see that we don't get the desired outcome or the output that we would want to see. Because when the agriculture or horticulture department starts working, the officers are told, distribute 1 ton of Lakadong seeds, or distribute 2 tons of ginger seeds. Today, that in the past 4 years, what we had seen and what we had started with. Today we are here after 4 years. I'm sure, and I'm happy in fact, that Mr. K. Kumar is here to actually witness it himself, because he was instrumental in starting this mission. I'm sure he must be one of the most happy and satisfied person to ultimately see the curcumin extraction taking place right here. There was a time when the curcumin content had to be measured in Kolkata. It would take 10 days. We did it in 10 minutes out here. This is the kind of technology and the kind of improvement that we are doing for the farmers. There is no curcumin extraction unit plant in the whole of Northeast. We have started doing it in a very indigenous manner, thanks to the help of Pradeep and his team. But we are intending to take it even further by ensuring that we even get better technology, even better standards, which will be acceptable globally in terms of the quality, in terms of the cleanliness, the process, and all the standards that need to be met, so that our product will be in highest demand throughout the world. And that's really what our target is. And as rightly mentioned by Mr. K. Kumar, that is the way forward for us. And we need to see, we need to dream big. This day today, which we are seeing, where we are actually slicing the turmeric, the Lakadong turmeric right here through a solar powered system, without having to depend on the power, the traditional systems. We're able to convert it into powder. We're able to convert it into curcumin, package it here. I don't think people would have thought about this day 4 years back. But it happened because there was a vision, a target, and a mission. And today, so I'm very thankful today to the entire team. Demansan has been somebody who's worked exceptionally well. And I see that he is a person who has passion. He has a desire to help the people. And that changes everything. I see the passion in the eyes of the women who are running this. The emotion that they go through. Every time they speak with a sense of purpose and passion that they have inside their hearts. That is what is leading to the success of this program. Not because Chief Minister is standing here. Not because Commissioner Secretary or MLA is out here. We do our part. We do our job, but that does not guarantee any success. Success will only happen if we all work together. It'll only happen if we work hard together. Nihap, ban trailang, nihap trai shitok. We have to work together and we have to work hard. And that is why, once again, I thank all of you.